Yo, real quick, y'all already know what I'm doing, but real quick, give me a sec. Real quick, I got
nigga, you gay.
nah, but first thing we gotta do in this new video is drink water. Now, in this video, I'm about to teach y'all how the fuck the lighting looking. Alright, so in this video, I'm gonna teach y'all how to get your hi-hats better, how to get a better bounce on your hi-hats. I just got inspired out of nowhere because I was just making this beat and I was like, yo, hold on, how about I film this instead of not doing nothing? I uploaded a type beat before, but I'm about to show y'all like real quick how I did this, and my arm is getting tired, so I'm gonna put y'all down real quick. We got the lighting on deck, everything, right? I don't know if it's gonna come out too light or out. We should be straight. Anyways, drink my water. Boom.
Stupid.
So, first thing I'm gonna say is shout out to AnotherVgn. Like, I don't know if y'all can see me. He drinks water too. But shout out to him because he came out with this fire ass sample pack. And I know he's been growing like a lot recently. I think he's at like 7 or 8K. Get him to 10K, do me a favor. Even though I have like 45 subscribers. But get him to 10K, he's fire as fuck. I'm gonna show y'all, it's free too, by the way, this fire ass sample pack. I'm gonna show y'all samples like how it's looking. Another sample, it's called Another Sample Pack. I don't want to link it in my description, or actually I'm gonna link it in my description because I'm gonna link his channel and the sample pack in my description because you know it's going to his website either way. Where is it? Here we go. It's fire as fuck. Here's the.
Hurry the fuck up!
Here's the cover and all of that. Oh damn, he didn't put the cover in this. Yo, bro, Papa, you fucking up, bro. Put the cover inside of here, bro. Like, what's up, yo? Alright. Either way, it's all it is. And this is gonna be the sample I'm using, the Dimensions 4. This shit is hard body. I heard it, I was like, oh nah. Y'all might have heard that one. I mean, yeah, heard that one in his video about paying a 808 Mafia member for a collab, or a collab. That shit is hard too. I might use that after this. But either way, so let's head to the video. So I found the sample, right? And I'm gonna give y'all 3 easy tips. I'm extending this video far as fuck, but I'm gonna give y'all 3 easy tips to get your hi-hats fired. Like, you don't. Alright, so the first tip is check if your hi-hat sample is in C. You edit, go here, and then you press detect pitch regions. This is in C0, it's in C. It's basically, you gonna click it and it's in the C note. That way you can play around with the pitch and have it like moving around. I got this hi-hat, the lick hi-hat from the Manu Icy Boys kit. I might not link it in the description. I don't know, just I'ma link it, fuck it. I'ma link it in the description.
You lying ass bitch.
How to buy it. I got the snare too. Oh shit. I drew out a drum pattern and all that, but I'm not gonna show you that. I'm gonna show you like the hi-hats and how to get them fired. So it starts out like this. This is a sample. So the reason why I chose this is because of that second switch up. When it goes down, that shit is hard body. and then he had it like this, and then the higher part originally, but I made it go up to a lower octave, because I like that better. So with the hi-hats, this is how it sounds. So it's a standard, like, fast as moving hi-hat, but you know, these are still tips on how to do it. So the first thing I would say is learn how to use this, the snap to grid. Learn how to move it from 1/3, 1/6, 1/2. I usually put it on 1/3, and then I press Shift B here to bring up the paintbrush, and that way I can shorten a note and press Shift and draw around as much as I like to draw around, you know. I'm not gonna do that, or you can leave it like this and have it go straight so you don't mess it up. See how I'm like going like this? If I press Shift, I can like move it all around, you know. Let me undo all of that. To undo is Control Alt and Z. I don't know about Mac, but I'm doing it on Windows. So that's one tip, learning how to snap to grid. Another tip is figuring out, like, in your head where you're gonna put your bounces at. So like you can have it a 1-2 step or 2-step where it's like dot dot dot. Start out with that to like figure out where you want your bounce at. So if I clone and I start out with this, you can also have it like this. There's nothing wrong with that, but like, you know, we want it fire. So you start out with that, go to piano roll and click on the side right here on the ending where the 5th bar is at, and then press Control L and stretch it out. After you stretch it out, it'll make it easier to do rolls on it. A lot of people they do their rolls like this and it just comes out. It comes out all right, but I find it easier to do it the way that I just told you guys. Control L and it stretches it out. You could just press Control or Alt U after that, have it double up or whatever, quadruple it up, whatever you want to do. And you can also shorten it out like I told you with this. What else could I tell you? Oh, alright, I learned this from Tarantino, 808 Mafia. Tarantino, fire as fuck. He came out with March Madness, my favorite Future song of all time. That's like one of my favorite beats of all time too. March Madness. He said, have the hi-hat bouncing with the 808. Pause.
Nigga, you gay.
Big pause. Have the hi-hat bouncing with have the hi-hat like bouncing with the 808. Pause, because that'll be like a Batman Robin type of effect. So like you see this a lot in 808 Mafia too with this guy is in Illuminati, but he be with 808 Mafia. So he's 808 Mafia. What's that? Pyrex turned me up. He's fire. He does that in the Costa Rica song. I don't want to play it now because it's going to copyright the shit out of me. But he does that in the Costa Rica song in Revenge of the Dreamers 3. He does it on a lot of his songs. Like a lot of beats he produced on the ones he did with The Baby too. Pony, he did that shit on Pony. That shit was hard on Pony. It's like you make it bounce with the 808. Pause. So it'll sound like this with the 808. Alright. I got this 808 from a kid I got off of Reddit called what did I call it? What is it called? I didn't call it nothing. It's Juice WRLD and Future what the fuck? Where's that shit?
Hurry the fuck up!
Oh, World on Drugs drum kit. Shorty. The song Shorty. That song is hard. But yeah. Have it bounce with the hi-hat. Look. Alright, this one might be out of place, so I can just fix that, put this down and just. It's whatever you want. I'm gonna leave it like that, it's fire. Or we could do double, it don't matter. But what I'm getting at is, you see how each one has like his own like roll on the 808 it makes it harder, and I put it on the same like note, so it like hits the same type of, hold on, it hits the same type of pitch. I'm making a video right now. Oh, yo, what's good, yo? Fuck a job, nigga. That's all I gotta say. This shit is not meant for nobody. Period, nigga. Nigga said period, nigga. Edit that up. But yeah, fuck a job though. That shit is not meant for nobody. That shit is slaves work. Everyone in this world is worth more than $15. Facts. Yeah, so I have it on each individual one. So it's like 1, 2 right there. And shit like that. This one it goes lower, like to not the same pitch, but it's on the same hit. I did a roll here in the beginning for a hit on the 808. The same thing here, roll here, a down roll like going down, and put the main pitch, cause this sample is in C sharp. Put the main pitch of your hi-hats. See how the main pitch is usually on C and stuff? Everybody leaves it here. Put yours here, like on the root note. If it's the root key, it will make it sound like it's on key. After that, there's not much. Yeah, that's it. After that, just learn how to experiment with what you got. Play the beat in the outro. Peace out.